What it do, what it do, what it do, we're again. Today, we gonna be taking the ZL1 1LE. we gonna be getting a muffler delete on this bad boy. Yeah, we gonna get a muffler delete on this bad boy because it sound too quiet. So we definitely gonna get us a muffler delete on this bad boy because this bad boy sounds so quiet. So we gonna go ahead and get that muffler delete. I'm about to let y'all hear what it sound like without the delete. There we go. That's what it sound like without the muffler delete. So hopefully it's louder than that. I mean, it's loud. I mean, it ain't quiet, but I believe it should be louder than this, you know what I'm saying? I don't think this is loud enough. I mean, y'all might think it's loud enough, but I don't really think it's loud enough. So we're gonna go get that delete, and hopefully this bad boy sounds much louder. I mean, it don't gotta be much louder, it just gotta be louder than this. You know what I mean? This is too much horsepower, too much speed, too much pizzazz to be quiet. We need to let everybody know we coming down the street, and everybody need to see us and hear us. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and get to this place. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get in the car, because I gotta go run and do a few things. Yeah, man, before we get in the whip, man, I'm really pissed off because it rained today, man. I hate when it rains because, you know, I got this bad boy all cleaned up, looking all magnificent, and I gotta ride out here in these old muddy waters and all that stuff, man. So I'm really pissed off about that, man. I ain't happy about the rain. Really pissed off because I just got this bad boy cleaned up, so now I gotta go through all of that again. So it is what it is, but let's get in the whip. Let's get to where we going. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all doing all right today on this lovely day. I'm doing pretty good. Sorry about that. I'm doing pretty good. My mom's birthday today. Rest in peace, my mother. I love her to death. Rest in peace, mama. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Let's get this delete. And your son gonna have some fun today. But I'm gonna get on the road first, y'all. Then I'll holler at y'all when I get to driving. Well, they got your boy in the waiting room. Waiting to see what's gonna go down, man. Hopefully this muffler delete sounds good. It ain't no mid muffler delete, because Camaros don't have like no mid mufflers or nothing like this. It just got that one big muffler in the back. So we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see if everything go good, man. Hopefully it sounds good, man. Well, I'm gonna have to end up going with a probably aftermarket exhaust. We're gonna see though. You know what I'm saying? Got him up there right there, as you can see. Saber wolf looking good, looking like a real werewolf. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Okay, that's good. Thanks, my man. You can go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. Yeah. Well, gang, we got the delete. We got the muffler delete. So we're gonna see what it's talking about. It sounds good though. Which y'all already know it sounds good, but it's much louder, man. You can hear it. Look, you know, I like that drone, look. I like a little bit of drone with my ride. I like that. Gonna head home. I'm gonna give y'all some more sounds of it. I couldn't really do it in they place because they wasn't really like, I ain't gonna say it was just, they wasn't them type of people, you know what I'm saying? They don't understand YouTube and things like that. They don't really understand things like that, so I couldn't really get the whole logistics of it. I got a few clips, as you can see, you already been in sell-off clips, but man, this woke this car completely up. Man, who got the seat all the way up like that? Yeah, this woke the car completely up. This car sounds like it's supposed to sound. Yeah, cause I was contemplating if I was gonna get a like an axle back or go with a full exhaust. But you know, if you with the rear gang, you already know I really don't keep cars as long as some people do. I really don't keep cars that long. You know, I have it for a second and then I end up getting rid of it. But I'm trying to keep this car a little bit longer than the other cars, especially with the market how it is right now. Plus this being a ZL1 1LE, I can keep this car for, and I can, when I get rid of it, it still be worth some money. Especially with the low miles I got on. I think I only got like 8,000 miles on this bad boy, but it sounds good, man. You can hear it. Now you can hear the car talking to you inside of the car. I couldn't hear the car talking to me when I with the regular old sound. Hey, they gonna go or am I tripping? I'm going. You hear that? Sounds good. Sounds good. So I might not even end up going with another exhaust. I might end up just staying with this, to be truthful with you. It's raining out here too. I hate that it's raining because I just washed this bad boy. I just washed this car. Like just washed it. Like let me get a little pull in it. Woo, you hear that thing talking? This sounds so good. Yes, man. I wanted to get rid of that little dumbass exhaust I had on there. That stock exhaust is terrible. Plus it's like 20 pounds of weight that I just got off. So you know I dropped 20 pounds of weight, so that's at least 20 more horses. Nah, but I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second, man. When I get back home, we gonna get some sound test. Let y'all hear that cold start with the new muffler delete. Go ahead, Christine. Now it sounds like a monster. Rev it up. Oh. Sucker loud. Y'all like that? That woke the beast up. It's awoke now. Real werewolf now. Yes. I ended up putting those 4-inch tips on it too. I couldn't get no bigger tips than that. They don't make no bigger tips. So if y'all know somewhere to sell bigger tips, go ahead and hit me up in comments, and I definitely get some. Those 4-inch tips, they look real good too though. If you look real close, they look real good. They look something serious. Man, that thing sounds so loud. Do it again. Okay. She having too much fun. Sound good? She said, my Beyonce said it sounds good. She don't want me to put her on camera, but.
I didn't say no.
Tell her it sounds good. But yeah, it sounds great, man. So I'm probably not even gonna end up getting no axle back because this sounds so good. Ain't no sense in me paying $700 for axle back when I can. It's cool enough for me. I ain't trying to be the loudest guy in the world, but I want to be known that I'm riding down the street. I want to be known when I'm coming, werewolf style. You know, we like to move in silence, but when we get busy, we get busy. And that thing looking good. It sucks that it rained today, but man, it's definitely a beautiful car. Now I got the beautiful exhaust on it, and I got the beautiful black tips instead of those chrome tips. Something crazy. Look at her. She want to rev it again. Do it again. Go ahead. All right. I don't want my neighbors to kick me out the neighborhood. We don't want the neighbors to kick us out the neighborhood.
My neighbors love me.
Yeah, they love you, but they like we love Christine, but we can't stand Tlites.
My neighbors love
He keep him a loud, obnoxious car. Yeah, this thing sound good, man. Definitely was a great purchase. I ended up spending like $150. Then I had to pay $80 a piece for the tips. So
big money?
I ain't got no big money. You see them, look at them tips, they smoking. Smoking. That thing loud. Definitely, I would definitely recommend somebody getting a mid muffler delete. I know it's people like, man, I ain't gonna say it. It's not a mid muffler delete. Let me stop saying mid muffler delete. Just get a muffler delete on this car. It will wake this car up because it's so quiet. When you got 650 horses, 650 torque, you can't be quiet. Ain't no sense of you being quiet. You got a monster. The world should know that you got a monster. But yeah, I ended up spending $150 for the muffler delete, and then another $80 a piece on the tip. So I spent like $320 maybe. I don't know, something like that. $320. Is it $320? 80. I don't know, man. I spent altogether it was $320. So, man, y'all, I know y'all like, come on, T-Light, can you add, T-Light? Can you add? Yeah, I ended up spending like I said, I spent $320 altogether. I was looking at a axle back that was like $700, and I was like, let me try to go with the muffler delete before I end up doing the axle back, because it might be good enough for me. It is definitely good enough for me. And like I said, if I want to go back to stock and just put the muffler back on there if I'm gonna sell it, but if I get rid of it, they just gonna have to take it how it is. I'll give you the muffler, I'll put it in the trunk. But yeah, this bad boy sounds super good. So for those who are gonna got a ZL1 or just a 1LE or just a SS or any kind of Camaro, you want to get a muffler delete, well, hopefully my video let you know what it sounds like if you get the V8. Sounds great, man. This thing sounds great. This Camaro muffler delete was definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I mean, money well spent. It wakes the car up. You lose a couple pounds because you get rid of that big old muffler, that big muffler on there. You lose you a couple of pounds, and you just get the sound of this car. A car like this should not be quiet. I mean, it don't got to be the loudest, because when you driving it, it's not a lot of drone, as you probably heard earlier in the video, and it only gets loud when you get on it. So like if you just sitting at the stoplight or just sitting just idling, and it's loud enough, but it ain't obnoxiously loud, you know. So I'm definitely recommending getting a muffler delete on your Camaro ZL1. Mine is a ZL1, but if you got an SS or just a regular RS or just a regular standard Camaro, definitely go with a muffler delete and get you 4-inch tips instead of the little or smaller tips, because the 4-inch tips, they fit perfect. But I wish that I can get a little bit bigger, man. I wish I can get 2 5-inch tips. I think that'd be crazy, because it would fill up the gap. You see, I don't really like that gap, that little gap right there. I ain't really too fond of the gap, but I like them black tips though. That black tips go good. They go good, and I'm about to come with my little scheme over at this car. Since I'm gonna keep it, I'm about to make it look super crazy. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm definitely excited. Shout out to the Word Gang. Shout out to the Light Crew. Shout out to everybody that watched this video. Hopefully you receiving it blessed. No stress. Happy birthday to my mother. Again, like I said earlier in the video, I love you, mama. I miss you dearly, wholeheartedly. Sweetest, loveliest woman in the world, and always will be to me. And shout out to all y'all that's rolling with me, rocking with me, hitting these woods with your boy Wolf, you know. I appreciate y'all. You know, my journey with these cars. I know I don't keep cars a lot, but I'm gonna try to keep this one a little longer than I usually keep the rest of them, especially with this market, the way this market is right now. You know, since of me buying another car and paying some outrageous interest rate when I got that A1 credit. And yeah, man, as you can see, for all those who wanted to know what a muffler delete sound like on a ZL1, it sound like a whole new exhaust. It sound like, don't go buy no exhaust. Get you a muffler delete instead. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna slide on up out of here. As you can see, my big boy Colosso sitting right there. Yes, sir. We ain't got the big 26-inch wheels on it yet, but we will be putting those back on there. Plus, we got quite a few things coming for this. Stay tuned. I got quite a few mods coming for the Jeep, the Magnum. We gonna do a little bit of body work. Matter of fact, since I'm out here, I'm gonna show y'all real quick the body work we gonna end up doing on it, because that's all I need to do on this Magnum is a little bit of body work. And as you can see, it still looks great. It's still a great looking car. Just need to get, I got those little plastic pieces right there. I got those in the back of the trunk, but I'm gonna have to hit that up right there, redo that, because I did a terrible job on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and redo that. Go ahead and hit that up right there too, and I'm gonna hit that up right there. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that up, and then we're gonna hit the bottom up right there too, and we're gonna be good to go. You know what I mean? And as you know, the Impala is in the shop. Actually, it's about to be done this week. Supposedly, it's supposed to be done this week. You know, I replaced the transmission on that. And we got a video coming for that too. And we always got those great car reviews and that great car talk. So in the meantime, in between time, it's your boy Tlites. Oh yeah, big shout out to the Werewolf Gang. Much love to the Light Crew. Y'all stay up, y'all stay safe, stay blessed up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about me. And as you know, ooh, shout out to Saber Wolf. And we out of here.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.